Troy Bayliss, Cressini Racing, the highest spec Street Fighter Supreme in the world for personal use of Alvaro.
Oh, really? Welcome back to the channel. Well, something a little bit different today. I'm down at Bournemouth Ducati, or Ducati Bournemouth, however they do it these days, and I'm here to do a first ever unboxing of a brand new Ducati motorcycle. Now, the reason I'm doing this, I'm with Ross. We're going to do a little bit of work with Ross at Rotate Motorcycle. He owns an independent dealer in Bournemouth. He's got a load of really, really nice used bikes. So I'm going to start riding some of his used fleet, but he's also purchased himself a nice little new Ducati, so and he's going to let me ride it and help him run it in. So I'm quite excited about this. This is, I won't tell you exactly what it is yet. You're going to have to wait until the full unboxing. I'm not even going to tell you in the title of the video, or I shouldn't have, but there it is in the box. So if you want to see what's in the red box, settle down, make yourself a cup of tea, and then chop C, roll the intro. Sniffing around, we've got a customer who's got Multistrada RS. Not only the RS, he's got the full Acra for it and the dry clutch. So I thought, while we're here, it'd be rude not to hear this bad boy. Let's have a listen. Whoa, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah, but the neighbours love you. Look at that. I've yet to try an RS. I definitely want to. See you later. Right, so this is it. This is the box, eh? This is the new toy. Is it the new Rotate toy?
The new Rotate toy. We haven't told you what it is yet, have we?
No, don't know what it is.
No,
let's see. It's something cool.
Something cool, and it's the first one as well into Dorset.
First one in Dorset.
Yeah. Isn't it, Dan? Is it the first one?
Oh yeah.
Come on, get on his YouTube channel. He's
There
hiding
he is,
over
Dan.
there. He's got
There's
handlebars
Dan.
and everything.
Like, comment, subscribe, all that, you know.
So, what we got in the box? What we got in?
You want to go mid first?
Yeah.
You're not going to start playing with the box more than the actual bike when it comes out, are you? That's what normally happens.
Every kid ever.
Every
What
kid
corner
ever.
are we doing?
Yeah.
This corner.
Or should we slide that up a bit? What's that? Oh yeah, come on, lift that up.
Oh, there it is.
Flatten that out.
It had to be. It had to be.
Yeah, there she is.
Ooh. New V4S. New V4S.
Yeah.
So these ship over from the factory
Yeah.
directly like this,
Absolutely.
yeah? Turn up exactly like this.
That's literally exactly how it is.
Hang on, Sam. Give me some slack.
Oh, it's just like... Oh, nose cone.
It's like a kid at Christmas, look at him.
And then, can we get the lever? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Yeah.
So obviously once you've unboxed it, it's got to be, is it all running in oil in it and all that sort of
Yeah,
stuff?
so in terms of that, they come in transport mode. They're
Yeah.
locked, so that bike is pretty well useless at the moment.
Right, yeah.
Until we plug it into our Ducati sort of communication system, then what we do is unlock the bike,
Yeah.
connect battery, fluids, you know, and then do a proper PDI,
Yeah,
and then go for a ride.
yeah.
Our PDI, 6-7 miles usually.
Yeah, okay, decent
and
distance then.
in terms of that, it needs to be, doesn't it? You know,
Yeah.
to think about all the components on these
Yeah,
bikes,
yeah,
we want to
yeah.
give them a fair chance.
Diavel with the optional Akropovich. Oh, I want to hear it. I want to hear it.
Whoa!
I thought you had that.
Whoa! That was close. That was nearly the side panel taken out already.
It's not even out of the box yet.
It's not even out of the box yet. Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, and we'll go straight up.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's the biggest thing that no one notices. Obviously, the old bike's got 2 big holes.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah. Sick. And they've cut out the front, like the GP bike. You can see the whole front wheel. It's not faired at all. It's all cut out.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Totally different. Like the sub. This is all subframes, all different.
What do you get in the box then? Is this the little finishing?
Yeah, you don't get much.
Touches. You don't get.
You get bar ends, mirrors, and
In your booklet. Dan's just told me the the Diavolo I was admiring with the Acra is actually their demo.
Be rude not to.
And
Wouldn't it?
it'd be rude not to just hear that.
She's cold as well, to be fair.
We won't. We'll be nice. Bloody hell!
Every time.
That's mad! Oh my word!
You just put it back over there.
And that's your demo, is it?
This is our demo. Yeah.
Does that mean that means I can have a go, does it?
100%. We can sort something out. In terms of that, I'm awaiting our new demo,
Right.
which will be arriving shortly. So this will be for sale soon
Oh,
with
really?
the Acra.
With the
Now-
Acra, because isn't it like a £5 option, that Acra or something?
Absolutely, and the rest. So
Is
in
it?
terms of that, we are looking at. Let's see how many miles it's done. I should know this, but we'll have a quick look. 1,000 miles.
1,000 miles. Just run in then. Just run
Absolutely. Obviously
lucky
taken
new
care
owner.
of by factory trained technicians and benefiting of that all important Aquapovic. I tell you what, I can't believe.
What?
Since sorry to interrupt. Supreme Street Fighter in for
wow.
PDI.
Oh, really?
Don't film it. We'll go through it in a minute. We'll go through it in a
Okay.
minute. So in terms of this, I cannot believe. So we've delivered the Avil V4 time and time again.
Yeah.
Since we've put the Acra on, I think we've sold about 9 systems.
Have you really?
So people come back, they ride the bike with the system, because it's not just theatre,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
also
yeah.
the ride.
Does
so
it
the power
really?
onset is so much earlier, and the bang on the upshift
Yeah.
is just like,
Is
it's
it
insane.
really? Well, I love the stock one.
Yeah.
And so I
stock
can only
bikes-
imagine. That's
So
that's
the stock
crazy.
bike is amazing.
Yeah,
Don't get me wrong.
yeah, yeah.
It handles impeccably. It rides really nicely. But I think when you put the system on it, it just
Makes a
becomes
difference.
alive.
Does it
Yeah, it's an
really?
absolute animal.
Well, if you wouldn't mind, I'd love to.
We can sort something out.
Love to take her for a spin.
But we need to go for a walk round.
Yeah, come on then.
Should we go for a wander?
Yeah, let's have a wander. Let's have a wander.
So
Interesting stuff you've got.
at the moment, you'll have to excuse my top lip. We're actually in the middle
I
of
did
November.
notice
We're
that.
halfway through. We've raced over £1,000 as a team.
Nice.
So hence why I look pretty scraggly. You'll see some really special bits in here. We're very fortunate with the facility we have.
Yeah.
I mean, it's,
wow,
I turn up in the morning, I turn the lights on, and it takes my breath away every time. But we'll go to those upstairs in
yeah,
a
I
minute.
didn't even notice those.
We'll start downstairs.
Yeah.
Greeted with the new Gen 7 Pan V4S. That's also our demo as well.
That was it.
So
Okay.
should anyone want to come and ride one,
You got one.
absolutely. And then next to it is a rather special Bentley Diavol V4.
Oh yeah, nice.
Now, number 35 of 500, based on the Bentley Bikesure.
It's got like
stunning.
similar wheels and stuff, hasn't it, to
So
the Bentley?
you'll see the rear wheel is an exact replica of the wheels on the car.
I
You'll
see.
see the additional carbon fibre. You'll see the red intakes, red calipers, carbon absolutely everywhere. V2 Bayliss,
Yeah.
number 607, mega spec.
Yeah.
We've also got, I'm trying to buzz through it as quick as I can, because otherwise we're going to be here hours.
Yeah.
V4R
Yeah.
with the all-important wheelbarrow system. That
yeah, beautiful.
is a stunning bike and completely standard. Now, 607 miles, I believe. It has had the running in service. You'll see the titanium, nice and blue,
Yeah,
dry
look at that.
clutch, brushed alley tank.
lovely.
And next to that, we have an 18-mile V4 Speciale, carbon everywhere, and I just love that. To me, with the green, it just works really nicely.
It does work well, doesn't it? They've always looked great, haven't they?
And then to the right over here, we have a rather high-spec track bike. I mean, you know,
It's a track bike.
Marchini forged.
Everything.
Full 6 carbon everywhere. It's only done a couple of thousand miles. It is absolutely insane. A real toy, should we say.
Yeah.
Previous gen, Panigale V4S.
Yeah.
That's brand new. Probably one of the last now, I'd imagine,
Well,
in a
I'd have thought
dealership.
so, wouldn't you? Yeah.
Yeah, these have been snapped up. We, believe it or not, we sold more single-sided swing-arm Panigale V4Ss
Well, since the announcement
since
of
the
the new one.
announcement than we have
really?
nearly 4 months beforehand. We're catching up now. Very low mileage Pan V2s. Again, end of an era, some may say. But let's shoot upstairs. We've got some special bits up here. We've got a lovely 1100. Now, that's an 09 reg. Standard of it.
Wow, yeah.
You wouldn't believe it, would you? That's done just over 9,000 miles.
Blimey.
To me, that is... So,
That's
I'll give my age away now,
incredible,
but
isn't it?
I was 10
Yeah.
when that was new.
Yeah.
And to me, when I think of a Ducati, that's sort of everything it should be.
Yeah.
That exposed rear wheel, I think the silver as well, again making it a rare bike.
Yeah, nice.
And the red trellis fame.
Gorgeous.
So cool. A race bike
Ooh.
that's going to be available soon, actually. That is coming to market.
Oh, really?
We're just finalising details on that, and you'll see that shortly on the web and Auto Trader and everything else.
Yeah.
959 course.
Yeah, lovely.
Stunning bike. Satin paint. I love that.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Troy Bayliss, Cressini Racing.
God, that's gorgeous, isn't it?
That's a showpiece for us, that.
Yeah,
We're very, very lucky to have
absolutely
that here.
gorgeous.
Now, we have 3 very special bikes here that we are storing for a customer that's currently having a storage facility built for them.
Ah, okay.
Now, these are owned by one very, very valued customer of
Well,
Ducati
yeah,
Bournemouth.
Right, yeah, owns all of them.
And let me tell you, there's a little bit more behind the red one.
Right, okay.
Let me show you the headstock and that will tell you all.
Okay.
Because there's a little bit of provenance to it as well. I don't know if the camera will pick it up.
Well, Panigale V4, that's a Baptista 23 World Championship replica bike. This is the ones they...
So, for personal use of Alvaro,
Oh, really?
in terms of that, you'll see it there in the smaller writing, if you missed it.
It's quite small, isn't it?
This can't go on the UK roads.
Oh, really?
It cannot go on the UK roads. Now, what they've put in it, I don't know. Why they've done that, I don't know. But an unbelievable piece that we're very lucky to have here. And then obviously the 2 World Championship replicas.
Yeah.
What's your favourite?
Oh, it's tough. I do love the yellow, actually.
Yeah,
It looks nice
I
in
am
the
the
yellow,
biggest Pecco fanboy.
Oh, are you?
So I'll be watching the weekend.
Oh, I can't.
This is number 120 of 250.
Right.
Now, this is the highest spec Street Fighter Supreme in the world. I'm saying that with
You've confidence.
saying it with chest, yeah, properly. Wheelbarrow system, carbon everywhere. I won't divulge the number he spent on it because it's
I can imagine
it's sizable.
he's
But if you go
invested
around
a
the other
fair
side,
amount.
this has just been PDI'd, and we're still awaiting a couple of bits actually to go on it. But you'll see some of the highlights: wheelbarrow, dry clutch, carbon everywhere.
Yeah.
Some Evotech goodies. We've gone for a Rizoma rear sets,
Okay.
but we want to keep the black theme.
Right.
So we're actually using a local company to re-anodise.
And
They're going to strip the
black.
silver off
Right.
and re-anodise the Rizomas in black,
Wow, that'd be cool.
which
wouldn't
will be really cool. You'll see, so obviously the livery going across the bike. You've got the caliper writing in the different
Yeah.
font. We've got some more carbon to go from full 6 still. But mega build.
that's
They
cool,
don't.
isn't
We
it?
don't. You don't see them like
no,
this.
you don't get these very often.
And we're
on the
really
far.
lucky. I think this one will be ridden as well, which is quite cool. But But yeah, everywhere you look, you know, carbon cover, carbon sprocket,
it's got
carbon.
it all, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just insane. You'll see the Supreme on the Marchini there. Oh, isn't she lovely?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
So, things like that make me absolutely love my job. Like, you're never going to see that again.
No.
But going back to it, Pikes Peak,
Pikes Peak, the new
2025.
colours.
In for PDI now. This is a cancelled order. Now, the reason for the cancelled order, customer had a go on a friend's RS.
Right, now he wants low those.
Yes.
Typically.
Which I completely understand and I can't blame him for. But you'll see the new Marchini wheel, new exhaust, new livery, obviously updated suspension. Also the seat, the passenger seat's changed as well, making it more comfortable and habitable.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah, which is slightly interesting.
Yeah, it's quite it's nice, good size, isn't it?
But you'll see the updated front end with the black.
It's nice, isn't it?
Just such awesome
And
bikes.
it's still got the number 1 on it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a must. And then obviously when PDI is complete, you'll see side pods as well with the number 1.
Right, yeah.
They're actually just over here. We'll nick them off Tom so I
yeah,
can show
of course,
you.
no side pods.
But yeah, so if we go
Oh yeah, there we go.
to give you an idea,
Yeah, I thought there was something missing.
you'll see that on there.
Okay, that goes on
to give
there
you an
as
idea
well.
of.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to look so good.
That's
Isn't it? I'm
gonna-
so
that looks
excited
cool,
to see
doesn't
this.
it?
Just
does look
epic,
good.
epic bike.
So there we go, V4S Panigale, absolutely gorgeous. So Ross is going to let me have a go on it. So it's going to get PDI'd, then we're going to take it for a spin. Obviously I rode the 2024 version at the beginning of the year with Ducati UK, but this will be obviously first ride on the new V4S. Quite excited, it looks absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, if you're interested in the new Panigale V4S, you know what you've got to do. Press subscribe, like, all that jazz, and I'll see you shortly for the test ride. Cheers guys.